Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is on the place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook. Bang, you can find it on Amazon. The Man Who Set Himself on Fire. The only thing you have to do is just search The Man Who Set Himself on Fire and you will see it. It's written by Donald Bogan. That's Bogen. All right, guys, we got a great one for you today. I'm in love with these headphones. It's Christmas time, guys, and a lot of you are going to be looking for some nice gifts. And I'm going to tell you, we reviewed a lot of headsets on this channel, but I'm absolutely impressed with these Lava headphones, guys. Let's get into the workbench. Let's unbox it. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to share with you my experience that I had with it. Let's get to it. All right, so here are the Lava headphones, guys. Let's go ahead and get the unboxing battle axe tomahawk out, and let's open it up, guys. A little information about these headsets, guys, is that first of all, you're getting great battery life. All right, they also have a Qualcomm chip up in here, and they have active noise cancellation. They also have quick charging, meaning if you charge it up for 10 minutes, you're going to get 8 hours of playing time. Full charge, you're going to get 40 hours of playing time at 60% with active noise cancellation on. Now, go ahead and open it up, and I love it, guys. They give you this travel case. I love whenever companies give you a traveling case for your headphones. It's good for me when I go to the gym. It feels pretty good. It feels like it's going to protect the headphones when I throw it into my gym bag. And it had the double zippers, guys. Just added protection to make sure if one get broke, you still can open it up in case of emergency. The presentation is nothing to write home about. Go ahead and dig around further. You see that you're going to get the charging wire, and you're going to get the 3.5 aux cable. Here's a look at that right quick. So you get in there, again, quick charging up in there. If your battery so happen to go down, you can plug it directly into your cell phone or whatever device you're listening to. This is the manual. It's written in several different languages. I speak English, so I only reviewed the English portion. All right, got this little cloth covering up the headsets. Let's go ahead and have a look at these things. Now, right off the back, the first thing you notice is the protein leather on the earphones. They're not light. They have like a premium build right here. This feels like metal, but they're not heavy either, right? I love that they can swivel side and up and down. I love whenever headsets have their little swivel function. A lot of you guys might be like me and have an awkward head, so it's able me to adjust it. It have that metal band inside of it, going to ensure the headset is going to last longer. Back to the protein leather, you notice that on the ear cups, you notice that on the headband. The memory foam feels pretty soft, like big old pillows on your ear, and you can see how I'm stretching it out. So it's very doable, very doable. This is where you're going to charge it at right here. Good in your hand. I can't get over how good it feels in your hand. And of course, you're going to plug your 3.5 up right there. Your aux wire. You have your ambient noise on and off, noise cancellation on and off. You have your power, and of course your up and down buttons, which double as volume up, volume down, track forward, track back. Now, parenting is very simple. You just take your Bluetooth enabled device, go ahead and put it into Bluetooth mode. Once you start searching, you just press and hold down the power button, and you're going to see the light is going to alternate between blue and red. And with my Note 10 Plus, automatically pick it up, quick light. Go ahead and select it, and boom, we are in business, guys. Simple, easy, fast, like that. This headset can do so much. Now, not only do you have that battery life, not only do you have that noise cancellation on and off, but you also have 3 levels of bass. And I'm going to explain more on how the bass system works when we go into the studio. But you can switch from volume or bass up, bass down, normal bass, and you're good to go. And again, when you hit that button, it's going to turn green. That means that you alternated between ambient noise and noise cancellation. So I brought it to the gym, show you a quick look at that. Now, these are not sports headsets, but the headset design is water resistant, not waterproof, but water resistant. All right, let's go back to the studio. All right, guys, welcome back. Now, As you seen during the unboxing, guys, it's a fairly decent presentation. You know, I always love the metal band. The metal bands is everything to me. And, you know, the design of it is pretty good. I like that little design right there. It feels very premium. The buttons are very responsive. Now, speaking of buttons, guys, these headsets do so many things. Now, right here, I don't know if you be able to get a really good look, but the noise cancellation on and off is labeled NC. That's also double as your bass control. So if you press it one time, it's going to turn on ambient mode, meaning that you can hear your music and you can hear things outside of you, like if you walking or something like that. You can hear things better, but still hear your music too, but you can hear things in the background. If you turn on your noise cancellation, which worked pretty good, I'm very impressed with the noise cancellation. Hit it again, it's going to turn active noise cancellation on, and it's going to block out those outside sounds. However, if you press and hold it down for 2 seconds, it's going to turn bass up, bass down, or bass normal. So you literally can control your bass with this right here, guys. So I'm very impressed with that. I love that. Not only that, but if you press and hold your track forward, track back, or your volume up, volume down button, it's going to activate your voice assistance on your phone. If you press and hold those at the same time for 2 seconds, it's going to activate your voice activation on your phone. So I love what they did by utilizing the buttons. Not only can you turn off and on the headsets with, not only can you skip the track forward and back, and the combination buttons, guys, allow you to do more, like when I say the activation of the voice assistant on your cell phone, and the bass, and also answering hang up calls, guys. So use your power button for that. It just, you know, keep your user manual close to you. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. It feels really good in the hands, very soft. I've been wearing it for a while. It can stay on your ears for a long period of time. I don't get like fatigued with wearing them. As any over-the-ear headset with the cups right here, you're going to get a little heat, guys. So it's not really meant for, you know, running or whatever. Even though you're seeing I brought it to the gym, I didn't get like a lot of pool of sweat in there, but it's not meant for that. You can use the 3.5. So if your battery go low, you can go ahead and plug that up. It have pretty decent battery life, so that's a plus. Now, enough talking. Let's see if I can let you guys hear this right quick. Go ahead, turn this on. Now, this is what you're going to hear if you sitting by someone with the headsets on. See how much bleed you have from the headset. So let's see what you hear. Turn all the way up. So that's what you're going to hear. All right. Now, this is what you're going to hear if you're wearing the headsets. Now, I know this is not an accurate depiction of exactly what the headset is capable of, but this is the best setup I have right now, guys. So I'm loving it. I think it's still going to hang on to it. My favorite feature is the ability to turn the bass levels up and down. I love that. And remember, if you press the volume up and volume down simultaneously for a few seconds, it's going to activate the voice assistance on your phone. So, yeah, man. Lava headsets, go ahead and check them out. Great design. Feel very premium, guys. I'm rocking with this. Oh, and by the way, you can literally walk away from your phone past 33 feet, guys. So that was good for me. I left my phone in the studio and I had to go get the SD card that had the footage, and I was able to go into two other rooms, past two other rooms to get the SD card, and still was able to listen to this. So it's your boy taking the bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. We got some more fire coming. I got a karaoke machine. I also have a Wi-Fi mesh system to review. So we got more content coming up for you guys. And I also want to teach you guys some more about credit, guys, and reselling and stuff like that. So stay tuned. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.